Hi everyone, welcome to Hiru Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful rose flower pattern, perfect for embellishing accessories, home decor or gifts. This elegant and versatile design is a must-have for any crochet enthusiast. Let's get started. First of all, we will look into the materials. I'm going to be using milk cotton yarn along with the 2.5mm crochet hook to make this. And we will get started with the foundation. There we need to start with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your index finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop like this. Now we have a slip knot, insert the hook into the slip knot and we will chain 81 as the foundation. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. Yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the third chain. Like that we will continue making a foundation of 81 chains. Now I have completed the foundation. This is what it looks like, and then we will start with the first row. There we need to work 1 double crochet in the 6th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6th chain. Yarn over, insert the hook into the 6th chain, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again work 1 double crochet, chain 4 and 1 double crochet into 4th chain from here. This is the 4th chain. So yarn over, insert the hook into the 4th chain and complete 1 double crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then work another double crochet into the same stitch here. Now this is the pattern we need to repeat. We need to work 1 double crochet, chain 4 and 1 double crochet into each 4th chain. This is the next 4th chain. So work 1 double crochet into the chain here. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and again work another double crochet into the very same chain. Again go into the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th chain. Work 1 double crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and another double crochet into the very same chain. Now we need to just repeat the same pattern until the end of the row. So complete the row and meet me back there at the end. This is the very last set I'm working in the foundation. This is what it looks like, and then I'm going to work 1 double crochet in the very last chain here. With that we have completed the first row. And then again chain 1 and turn the work to start with the second row. Now we will go into the chain 4 space here and work one single crochet. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the first single crochet. Again work one half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. This is the half double crochet. Now we will work 8 double crochets inside the same chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then we will work one half double crochet and then work one single crochet into the same chain 4 space. This is the first petal of the flower. Now we will create the second petal in the next chain 4 space here. So work one single crochet, one half double crochet, then 8 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then again work one half double crochet and one single crochet into the very same space. Now we have completed 2 petals. Just like that we will continue to the next chain 4 space. One single crochet, one half double crochet, 8 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then one half double crochet again and one single crochet into the very same space. Just like that we are going to complete making the petals into each one of the chain 4 spaces until the end of the row. Just complete the row and meet me back there. This is going to be the very last petal of the flower. So work one single crochet, one half double crochet, 8 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then again work 1 half double crochet into the very same space and 1 single crochet into the same space. Now we will just pull the stitches like this and work a slip stitch into the chain here to finish the round like this. With that we have completed the row. We have 19 petals over here. And then we will start with row 3, chain 1, do not turn the work. From here we are going to work reverse single crochets. So insert the hook into the previous stitch here, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now you can see that the loops are twisted, but leave it as it is, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a reverse single crochet. Again go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Just like that we are going to complete 11 single crochets. This is the third reverse single crochet. Oops. If you keep this loop a little loose, it will be easier for you to work the reverse single crochets. Keep the loop a little longer so that it will be easy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. After completing 11 single crochets, this is what it looks like, and we will go into the space in between the two single crochets here and work a slip stitch. Yarn over, pull through the space and pull through the loop. Chain 1 and we will work another 11 reverse single crochets to complete the second petal here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. And then again go into the space in between the two single crochets here and work a slip stitch. Now we have completed 2 petals. Chain 1 and work another 11 reverse single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Again work one slip stitch. Just like that we are going to complete the outline for all the petals. Just complete the outline and meet me back there at the end. This is the end of the row, and then I'm going to work a slip stitch into the very last stitch here to complete the row like this. And this is what it looks like. Chain 1, leave a long tail for sewing, and you can just cut the yarn off. And then we will just pull the loop here, and I'm going to use the yarn needle to make the flower. So thread the yarn needle and we will start rolling the petals up to make the flower like this. And then I'm going to secure that by using the yarn needle to the back of the work as shown here. And then I'm going to put a knot and cut the excess piece of yarn, and this is what the final flower will look like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this rose flower pattern with me. If you love this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful crochet ideas. Happy crocheting and see you in the next video.